Hey guys, what's up? Carson here at Tacoma Lifestyle. Today we're going to show you the Magnaflow Overland Series Tacoma exhaust system. This is not an install, although the install is super easy and can be done at home. But we're going to show you a side-by-side comparison of the stock exhaust versus the Magnaflow Overland Series exhaust. So first off, the first thing I just want to point out before is, as you can see, the Overland exhaust system is cut off. So you can't even see it when you're walking up to the vehicle. It's raised a lot higher. This is awesome if you're an off-roader to avoid obstacles. It really gives you that high clearance look. I also just think it looks a lot better. And as you can see, the stock does hang down super low off the tire. It's in such a bad spot and has bad approach angles, so rocks and obstacles can really just smack it. Also, you know, we won't be able to show it on camera, but in the car, I just want to point out that the Magnaflow Overland exhaust really does rumble when you're in the car. It's not annoying, it's not too much, it just gives you a nice rumble and sounds pretty good for a V6. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you could throw your thoughts down here in the comments below, would love to know if you think that the Magnaflow is better than the stock. Want to get your thoughts on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.